Hello, my name is John from Fine & Country in Braunton, and today I'm going to be showcasing to you apartment 7 Oceanpoint. It's a gated complex here on Saunton overlooking the beach. It's got allocated parking and it's a spacious 2-bedroom apartment. Let's take a look inside. Here we are in the open plan but comfortable living space here at Oceanpoint. As you can see, got the lounge area to the front here with the beautiful views looking out over the beach, which is fantastic. You've got a dining area and it naturally flows into a kitchen, which is granite worktops and finished to a nice specification as well. Property benefits from a really good sized balcony space here, which see plenty of space for outdoor dining off of the living space and the bedroom as well, so you can enjoy morning coffees and outside dining in the evenings. Here we are in one of the main bedrooms, which looks over the sea, fantastic with the beach, space for a double bed and furniture, and you've got fitted wardrobes as well. They thought about everything for this complex. Here we've got the boardroom, which is allowed storage for each apartment, so they can put either surfboards, towels, bodyboards, buckets and spades, whatever you need for the beach can be stored right here. That completes the video tour here for apartment 7 Oceanpoint. As you can see, it's a fantastic seaside apartment here, walking distance to the beach, panoramic vistas, what's not to like. Come and have a look at 01271 818 121 and we look forward to seeing you soon.